Good morning everyone. Hope everyone is fine and preparation is going well. In today's class, I will just discuss how to calculate the hybridization of a given compound. In the previous video, I will share some key points related to the hybridization. Must watch that video. So, let's practice some few examples how to calculate the hybridization. For this, you should know the hybridization formula, that is equals to 1 by 2 bracket V plus M minus C plus A, where V stands for the valence electron, M stands for number of monovalent atoms, C stands for charge on cation, and A stands for charge on anion. In this example, we will discuss the hybridization of NF3. As we know, the electronic configuration of N is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Please correct here, 1s2 is there. So that the number of valence electron is 5. So in place of V, we will put the 5. And in N, there are 3 atoms which has to be attached. That is 3f. So number of monovalent atoms will be 3. So in place of M, we put 3. As NF3, there is neither positive charge nor negative charge. That means the charge on cation is also 0, the charge on anion is also 0. So by filling the values, half 5 plus 3 minus 0 plus 0, that is half into 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So answer is 4. And you know the number 4 stands for the sp3 hybridization. In the similar way, the next example is BF3. So means जब भी आपने हाइब्रिडाइजेशन निकालना है, आपको 4 चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए: नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, नंबर ऑफ मोनोवैलेंट एटम्स, चार्ज ऑफ कैटायन और चार्ज ऑन एनायन. In BF3, we know the atomic number is 5. That means in valence shell we have 3 electrons. So in place of V, we will put 3. Similarly, there is 3 attachments of F. That means number of monovalent atoms is again 3. There is no charge. So neither number of charges. That means charge on cation is 0, charge on anion is 0. Putting all the values, we will get half 3 plus 3 minus 0 plus 0. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The number 3 stands for the sp2 hybridization. That means in BF3, the hybridization is sp2. Now let's move to the next example, BF4 negative. Again in B, the number of valence electron is 3. Now here monovalent attachments will be 4 because there are 4 fluorine that has to be attached with the boron. Next, negative charge is there. In BF4, there is negative charge, which indicates that the charge on anion will be 1, but there is no positive charge. That means on cation there will be 0. So hybridization is 1 by 2, 3 plus 4 minus 0 plus 1, that is 8 by 2, that is 4, and the number 4 stands for sp3 hybridization. Now next example, NH4 positive. Again the number of valence electron for nitrogen will be 5. Here 4 hydrogen has to be attached with the nitrogen atom. So the number of monovalent atoms will be 4. Now in NH4 there is positive charge. That means in the place of C we will write 1, whereas in place of anion we will write 0. So the value will be half 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 0. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. And the number 4 stands for the sp3 hybridization. अगर आप लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि कौन सा नंबर किस हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के लिए है, तो आप इससे पिछली वीडियो मेरी देख लो, जिसमें मैंने आपको कंटेंट प्रोवाइड किया हुआ ओनली, और वहाँ लास्ट में टेबल दिया हुआ है कि इस नंबर के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ये हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगी, इस नंबर के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ये हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगी. तो आपने जस्ट नंबर कैलकुलेट करना और आपको आपकी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन पता लग जाएगी कि कौन सी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगी. Hope you all understand the concept of hybridization, how we can calculate the hybridization by using the formula. Now there are few questions, तो आप ये घर पे अपना होमवर्क करें और इनके आंसर्स कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दें. एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स, आइदर वो +1 में है, क्योंकि ये कंसेप्ट +1 के बच्चों के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कैलकुलेट करने का. फ्रेंड्स से शेयर करो एंड डू like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Hope your preparation is going well. Thank you.